Hi and welcome to Belgian Decals Restorations. I'm Johan and this week's guest is a Guy Wirebrush tanker truck, here in a bottle by Husky. Guy Motors Limited was a British truck and lorry manufacturer. The company was founded in 1914 by Sidney S. Guy and became a well-known name for trucks, lorries and buses in the UK. After a merge with British Leland, Guy Motors went into decline and production stopped in 1982. This had a devastating effect on unemployment in the neighboring towns where most of the Guy Motors workers lived. The Husky model is based on the Guy Wirebrush Mark II truck from the 1960s. Husky made several versions of the tanker. The older A versions have a rounded tank, this is the B version with a more rectangular shape. There are liveries for Esso and Shell and this milk truck, which has the same milk decals as the bigger Corgi 1129 and 1141 Bedford articulated milk tankers. The play-worn model on the turntable has seen better days. The paint is flaking, the bare metal parts are tarnished, the wheels are worn and the center window pillar is bent along with the front of the cab, indicating the encounter with someone's foot. This is a nice little model that deserves to be restored. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. Guy Motors made some iconic trucks, like this Guywire Mark II. This Husky model of a milk tanker has looked better. It's extremely play-worn with flaking paint, damaged decals and a bent roof and center pillar. A good candidate for restoration. I choose to airbrush the color code for a good covering, especially in all those nooks and corners. The decals were scanned and reproduced in vector software, then printed with a laser printer. I straightened the window pillar and the roof and filled a small crack. I also refreshed the fraying on the wheels by passing them through a flame. All in all, I'm quite satisfied with how this one turned out. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.